Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start using FoxyCart for beginners in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to start using FoxyCart. FoxyCart is a flexible e-commerce platform that helps you manage your online store with ease. So make sure to stick by and follow this step-by-step tutorial and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically you'll need to go and visit FoxyCart. So go to the URL section, type FoxyCart, hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to click on the first link as an example. Make sure it's not a sponsor or something like that. Once you do so, you'll find yourself on the home screen or main screen of their website. If you don't know nothing about it, you can simply just scroll down to read more informations. So you'll be able to see all the information that you want, as an example, get delivered, a lot of information that you may want as an example. Of course, you'll have access to a demo if you want. As you can see, you'll be able to sell, first of all, any type of product anywhere. A link or HTML form is all you need to get started. So you'll have access, of course, to how to add products as an example. So you can simply just add or show you here how to add a product. It's just a demo as an example. Or maybe as example, custom, multiple, bundle, digital, email, social, website, donation, recurring, whatever you want, you'll have access a demo to it to see how things will work. And as you can see, flexible e-commerce for your website, Foxy hosted cards and payment page allow you to sell anything using your existing website or platform. So if you have an account, you can simply just go here to the top right corner and click on login to log in into your account. And of course, if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create an account by simply just clicking on Try Foxy for free. And as you can see, you'll have to go through this form to create your account and make sure or remember that's no credit card required, so you don't have to worry about anything. So first of all, you'll have to start by your first name, then last name as an example. Then you'll have to fill up your email, as simple as that. Then basically you'll have to enter a password. Make sure it's require or it meets the requirement that they say in here. So if it's too short, you'll have to change, like as example, your like password. What do you want to accomplish with FoxyCart as example? For me, I'll just type testing around. For you, of course, you can type whatever like you are coming to use FoxyCart for. So how did you hear about us? For me as an example, I'll just type ads. Like why not? For you can type YouTube or whatever you want. So what do you consider yourself? I consider myself, for example, a programmer, a front-end developer, designer, or merchant or store admin. Whatever you are, you can choose all the options if you want. As you can see, please check all that apply. If nothing, as example, if none of them apply, I guess like you just choose like the closest to you. Maybe if you know, as example, like a programmer, I'll write a server-side code like PHP, Ruby, Python, and Net. A front-end developer, I do like HTML, CSS, and maybe like some JavaScript. A designer, I use Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, etc. Rather than outsourcing it, as example. Or this like a merchant or store admin. I'm involved in the products and money side of the e-commerce business. Maybe I'll example I'm closest to this. I'll choose just this. So about your store, just put in your best guess if you're not sure, and you can change this later. For example, so the store name I'll just name it like Omex as example, and the store subdomain I'll just make it omex.foxycarts.com. So if you agree to the terms and conditions, make sure to check that and of course make sure to read them. It's very important to read that. So while you read it, of course, or once you read this and agree to it, make sure to check this option, then check that option of this I'm not a robot. So all you need to do is just finish whatever they're saying here. I don't know if that's a bus or not, but I'll just let's like that. So yeah, it was wrong. So the buses are those, and yeah, this is a button here, and it should be good. Yeah, then go and click on create an account and continue. So example, you must use a valid password, start using at least 12 mixed case letters, numbers, and special characters. So it will require from me also a special character. So as example, just go here, add this, then I will add this also. So example now, let's just scroll down. I'm not a robot again, such that I'll have to go through this also. So I'll just go and choose that. four cars, and I guess this is a car. I don't know why they use like some low quality pictures, so it seems like they don't want you even to get this. I'm not a robot, but it's fine. I'll just go here and click on create an account. So must use valid password. Okay, that's what I did. Did they remove my password or something like that? So it seems like everything here is good. Everything is good. And okay, I'll just go and rewrite the password as an example. And I'll do this. So this should be good right now. So I'm not a robot again, of course. It will take like forever. And create an account. It should be good to go. So yeah. So here's an example. The questions below will help us guide you through the FoxyCart setup process. Are you currently working with a developer? No, as an example. Are you interested in providing project details so we can connect with your recommended developer? No, I don't need to. So, an example, recommendations. While HTML, CSS experience or working with developers is recommended, we understand that you may still want to use FoxyCart for your e-commerce needs. Based on the information you're provided, we recommend using Webflow Visual Website Designer to build your website and online store. Simply click on their logo below and sign up to make things like easier. We've put together free Webflow templates along with multiple tutorials available. Here's an example. And please click on the logo below to sign up for Webflow, or alternatively, click on the button to proceed to your Foxy card dashboard. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate contacting us. So, of course, you can click in here on this, or you can simply just click on, sorry, let's just go back. Of course, I'll have to go through this again, right? So, okay, now I have an account, so I'll just go here, go back, click on login. Normally I have an account, so I'll just follow that and click on login to access the dashboard right away. And as you can see, they take you here into Webflow if you want to go and start with it. If you don't, of course, you can simply just continue here to the dashboard. And basically, as an example, here they will give you a sample code for you. And of course, once they give you that, so they give you the steps how to install it on your web like host. And as you can see, once you finish those steps, as an example, it will be downloaded. You can simply open it on whatever web browser you have, and you should be good to go. Or if you want to use like Webflow that they tell you about, you can use it also. So yeah, as example right here. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.